This paint peeling and mildew and mold just seems to take over in the matter of just a couple of months. It doesn't take long at all. Today I'm going to clean it and then remove all of this crappy paint that was just put on top of the drywall with no primer whatsoever. That would explain the whole situation. After I get all this scraped off, I'm then going to apply a straight white vinegar to the entire ceiling, walls, everything. After having it scraped off, you still see a ton of mildew. The vinegar takes this immediately off. There's a few stains left, but I'm going to paint over it anyways.